Here we go. Another starting all over. Next. Yep, just going to do the programming now. Key off. Key back on. Exit. And we can just go back and see the data list. You see all these numbers used to be zeros originally. You can see there's values in here now. And the classification is now off. And passenger occupancy is gone. Check engine, the airbag light's gone. And if we come back here, the last trouble codes is gone because we copied it from the other computer. And the last thing is we got to go into airbag and just erase that code. Because the code will still be stored in there. And it should clear now. That's it. So the last thing I'll have to do is once I bolt the seat down is do the 0-point calibration. That's it.